Waves for Water, the primary work that we've been doing is really access to clean water. And this is through the implementation of filtration systems that we've been doing now for over 10 years. So for water, we don't just do access to clean water through the systems, the filters, but now we're also looking into hygiene promotions. And the same with the toilets, the Santa toilets, and they're also water efficient.
Ilan lang po ang may mga CR. Parang bilang lang po. Mas marami pa rin po ang walang CR. Yung iba po na yun, yung wala nga po CR. Kung saan lang po dumudumi. Kaya po nagiging madumi din po ang dagat. Makikisi-CR lang po kami sa ibang bahay. Ganun po. Minsan po nagsasabay-sabay po.
Tay-tay ka na bago mag-aantay ka pa. Galit pa sa'yo pag ikaw nauna sa CR.
Mahirap po. Kung wala pa po kaming CR sa plastic na lang po, tapos pinabaon po sa buhangin.
Waves for Water, diversifying into holistic water, sanitation, and hygiene interventions is very crucial because we want to address comprehensive health needs. So beyond clean water access, we want to do sanitation and hygiene interventions because these also play key roles in preventing waterborne diseases, fostering overall social well-being and advancement.
Nang malaman ko po na magkakaroon na po kami ng sariling toilet, ayun po, masaya po, nakakagaan po, kasi po hindi mo na kailangan makiusap. Ang mensahe ko po sa Waves for Water po is, maraming salamat po na isa kayo sa naging dahilan para magkaroon po kami ng sariling CR. At ayun po, pananatilihin po namin maayos na magamit po ang pinagkaloob niyo po sariling CR sa amin. And ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Part of what we do is the medium-term solutions that have immediate impact. Also acknowledging that in water-scarce or water-stressed communities, piped-in water infrastructure isn't available and water isn't always accessible. So we need to implement innovative solutions that are creative, that are easy to deploy, that are durable, but are also user-friendly. But now we're also looking into hygiene promotions. So that's portable hand washing stations, the habitat that we're using that we've been deploying to areas that are water scarce and water stressed.
Mahalaga ang hand washing, lalo na sa panahon natin na naganap ang mga sakit. At ito ay maiwasan lamang ng frequent hand washing ng mga bata. Kung sabihin ko, yung mga habitat po kasi inilagay siya sa mga corners that are near sa classroom. So kung mga bata, kung gusto talaga nilang magugas ng mabilis, at kinakailangan, pupunta lamang po sila doon sa labas ng kanilang classroom at nandun na po nakalagay yung mga habitat po. So yung mga tubig po na nagmula sa habitat na pinagugasan po ng mga kami ng bata, yan po ay pinalilinis namin ang mga comfort room and other mga sink dito po sa aming school facility.
As part of our commitment to do more post 10 years, our goal is really to have a holistic approach to WASH. So that's water, sanitation, and hygiene, and acknowledging the interconnectedness of these issues. What we want to do is stay true to our goal of providing immediate access, not just to water now, but also to sanitation and hygiene through this innovation.